Okay, so what makes somebody successful or unsuccessful?
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
To be honest, it's not just one thing, it's really a lot of different things. And I look at it as like cooking, you know what I'm saying? I feel like to be successful, you gotta have different type of things, like ingredients. And of course, everybody might make a certain dish a different way. So in order to be successful, you might find different ways to help you get there. But I feel like there's like the main things that make people successful. You gotta be committed, bro. Like everybody want to be successful, but everybody's not reaching success, and that's because everybody's not committed. They're not dedicated to doing what it takes to reach that success. So commitment is like really the number one thing I think, because if you're not committed, bro, you're just gonna give up easily. You're just gonna not care about reaching success. So you really gotta be committed, bro. Like I think everybody who's successful was like obsessed with success, and I think that's like where I'm at. Like I'm obsessed with success, but I'm not to the point where if I don't reach success, I'm gonna be mad or angry. Even though I'm on some 50 Cent shit, get rich or get successful or die trying. You know what I'm saying? So you just really gotta be committed. But like there's a lot of things, bro. Like a lot of successful people understand that goals are like a necessity. Like you need goals in life if you want to get to where you want to be. A lot of people who's not successful, they don't set goals. You know what I'm saying? They just try to live life, just going and going. But like goals, that's like what I'm saying. It's like all right, well I set this goal, and if I do this, then you probably like if you accomplish one goal, you're gonna feel like you can accomplish another goal, and you're just gonna keep going and stuff like that. So goals, that's another way to reach success. But like unsuccessful people, well, everybody got their definition of success. Like if your definition of success is go to college, you know what I'm saying, graduate college, find you a nice career, get you a house, have you a nice family. That's some people's success, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But for people like me, I guess I just like thinking bigger. Like yeah, I mean, if I like once I do that, yeah, I'll feel successful. But like after a couple years, I have to keep growing and growing and growing. So I think my definition of success is really just to be able to do what I want to do on my time, and be the boss of my own life. Like you know what I'm saying? You only live one time. I'm really just trying to live life to its fullest. So that's my definition of success, is just really doing me, really living how I want to live. And when you think about it, bro, like people nowadays, they don't live how they truly, truly, truly desire. Like think about it. If you believe anything is possible with God, then like you gotta believe that like it's like I can't limit myself. You know what I'm saying? It's like if I'm living this life and I can do anything, why am I limiting myself? Like, and it just gets to, it's just different. People just have a problem with believing the things they want to, which is crazy to me. Like, I don't think I ever had that problem. But let's say for instance, like most people just do not have the belief that they can afford a Lamborghini or afford a mansion because they don't think they can make enough money to even, afford a mansion and still have money left over. But it's the people who believe that shit. Those are the people who go because, you know what I'm saying? Yo, if you really believe in God, you're going to understand that faith goes a long way. So, like, if you really have faith, even when things go bad, you know what I'm saying? Then that's going to really get you to reach that success. But like I said, there's a lot of different things, bro. Like, alright, one big thing is feeling good every single day, bro. Like if you mad, sad, I'm trying to tell you, you're not going to be successful. Like if you think that you're going to be successful, you're going to be happy when you get successful, bro, it's not like that. Happiness is what makes you successful, because when you're happy, when you're feeling good, that's when you feel like taking action to do the things that's necessary to reach that success. But when you mad, sad, you don't feel like doing nothing. You just be like, man, you feel like doing nothing. Better go smoke me a blunt. Better go drink some shit. But you know what I'm saying? You ain't taking no actions to get you that success. So what you gotta do, my G, is feel good every day. How do you feel good every day? You create your day. You don't let your day determine how it's gonna go. You determine how your day is gonna go. You wake up like, today about to be crazy. Today about to be good. I'm about to, you know what I'm saying, live it out. You know, live it up. So that's another ingredient for me. Just feel good every day. Feel your best. And how you feel your best? You think your best. Mentality, baby. You know I'm all about the mentality. You know I'm all about the mindset. Think about it. If you think amazing all day, I guarantee you're going to feel good all day. And if you're feeling good all day, your actions you're taking is good. You know what I'm saying? But let's be real. It's not easy to just think positive, especially in the times we're living now. Oh, bro. With this news, just society, social media, bro, it's just so easy to think negative. So let's say if you're having troubles thinking positive, there's so much shit to help you with that. Like positive affirmations. Just go on YouTube, look at some motivational videos. If you're having problems thinking negative, come to my channel, because I'm all about positivity. I'm all about success. I'm all about winning. So like when this type of stuff go in your mind, you're not going, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not like you thinking, bro, I don't know what to do with my life, and you know what I'm saying? You're just not gonna be thinking negative when you look at certain type of videos. But another reason why successful people are successful is the things they know, bro. They understand that learning is not just, you know, school. Learning is the shit. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta keep learning new things as you grow older. Like most people don't know about the law of attraction. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing I want to just bring into the world. A lot of people know about it. But that's one thing, but do a lot of people understand it enough to, you know, get it to work? And that's what I really want to do. I want to understand the law of attraction so much that like I'm just creating my life exactly how I want to. And patience is like one of the biggest things too when it comes to success. A lot of people is impatient. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, life is so much better when you patient, bro. like think about it. It's just hella shit that's gonna make you mad if you're impatient. It's like traffic, standing in line, shit not going your way, all that shit. But like patience is like, I'm glad like I'm a patient dude, because what I'm trying to do in life is just gonna take patience, bro. I'm not rushing it. I'm not attached to it so much to where it's like, I need it now. No, you know, why am I not living how I want to live? No, like, bro, you just gotta have faith in God. That's what most successful people, they have faith in the higher power, the creator, God. That's a big thing, you know what I'm saying? That's like a big ingredient for success. And I'm about to show you a video of Steve Harvey talking about the law of attraction and success, and pretty much how he living his life how he wants to.
Welcome back, everybody. You know, folks, I'll admit it, my life is going really, really well. Many of my dreams have come true, and there are plenty of you who've got huge aspirations for success, too. I get emails and tweets all the time from people, so many people asking how I did it. I try to share the principles of success whenever I can, because I have not gotten this far without learning the principles of success. And over the years, I've just realized that common sense just ain't that common. So I often get inspiration from books, and one book that resonates with me all the time is this book right here. It's called The Secret. It is the most powerful book outside of the Bible that I have ever read in my life. And the book is based on the law of attraction and how that principle, once you master it, can help you find wealth, happiness, better health, whatever you're looking for, relationships. So let me share some of the concepts that have helped keep me on my game. So the first one is like attracts like. You have to understand, you are a magnet. Whatever you are, that's what you draw to you. If you're negative, you're going to draw negativity. You're positive, you draw positive. You're a kind person, more people are kind to you. So you're like a magnet, you know, and you got to understand something about like attracts like. If you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. This is so true. You've got to grab this. You got to create dream boards. You got to put the new car up on your mirror. Put the weight you want to be on the refrigerator. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. That's the law of attraction. That's what you bring to you. Okay, moving on. The next principle. Ask, believe, receive. So many people overlook this very simple quality. You don't have to figure it out. That's what freezes people. When you're trying to figure out your life all the way to the end, when you can't figure it out, it freezes you from trying it because you go, oh, well, I can't figure that out. Oh, I can't go over there because I don't know how. You don't have to know how. You have to ask, believe, and receive. That's as simple as it gets, folks. It's very, very true. I really want you to understand that. Now, science says, show me and I'll believe. Faith says, believe and I'll show you. There is a difference. Next, very important. Gratitude is a powerful process. The only way to move to the next level is you must show gratitude for where you are. If you show gratitude, it gets you to where you want to be quicker. Very true. This is the last one. Laughter attracts joy, and it releases negativity, and it leads to some miraculous cures. Laughter is so big, man. When you're laughing, it just brings a lot of joy into your life. It attracts joy, it releases negativity. You know, at my mom's funeral, I learned something that was the most important lesson I've ever learned. I was sitting there, I was totally distraught. My mama was gone. You couldn't talk to me that week. It was the worst week of my life. The minister said something. He told us to think of only the good things that she's done. So me and my brothers were sitting there, and we started laughing about some of the stuff my mom had done. And we started smiling. And then the minister said something that has registered with me. Joy and depression cannot reside in the same space. Laugh every chance you get. Just bust out laughing, even if it ain't funny. Just laugh. That's it. We'll be right back. We got more.
Alright, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video of Steve Harvey, talking about law of attraction. And I hope it makes you, want to learn it a little more so you can really get your life how you want it to. But like I was saying, man, there's so many things to make people successful or unsuccessful. And it just goes down to having a team. You know what I'm saying? A lot of successful people, pretty much everybody who's successful has a team, a great team. And that's like a big thing, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need a great team. I need people around me thinking great. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I have faith that, whoever, wants to work with me, like, that's why I'm making this channel, to connect with people that needs help, and I need help doing things. So, you know what I'm saying? You connect with me, bro. Let's work. Let's team up. If you got ideas, I'm with it, bro. You see me, clothing line, boss level clothing, bro. Like, I'm not playing. This shit about to go crazy once I really understand the clothing line shit. Like, if people understand the clothing line business and can help me, what's good? Let's team up. Like, but there's just so many things, bro, with success, bro. To reading, to, you know what I'm saying, most successful people read books. A lot of people watch TV. I'm really just transitioning now, so I'm reading books now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Successful people share info. They don't keep it to themselves. Like, I've been learning about this stuff, but like, I just wanted to feel like I understood it enough to, really try to teach it or talk about it. So, it's a lot of things that come down to success and unsuccess. And you just gotta really want it. I think the biggest thing, you gotta really want that shit, bro. You gotta be like, I'm waking up, like, let's get it. Let's get it. I'm about to claim what's mine, baby. And that's really all it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gotta be motivated. We gotta be committed. So let's get it. Rough guy out.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.